In this video, we're going to talk about 9 affiliate marketing strategies for beginners. Now, these are the 9 strategies I believe you need to succeed in 2020, 2021, and beyond. Hey there, Kim Wolf here with affiliatemarketinginformant.com, informing you of everything you want and need to know about affiliate marketing. If this video helps you out in any way, definitely give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and comment below and tell me where you are in your affiliate marketing journey. And let me know if you have any questions. I'll be happy to help you out. So strategy number 1, focus on value, not money. So this is a really important one, and this is the reason that it's number 1. So your primary mission as an affiliate marketer is to help people out. Doing it for the money only strategy is not going to work. If you've been at affiliate marketing for any length of time, you probably already know that. Or if you're just starting your journey, you're going to figure that out soon enough. So we have 2 people in the industry that if you don't know about, you'll definitely learn about in your affiliate marketing journey. And they have enforced this and reinforced this based on their own experiences as well. So Brad Husty is a freelancer, a marketer. He creates really great graphic design, but also web development courses. Very high quality, very solid. He knows what he's talking about. But he posts on his blog post that he learned this the hard way. He learned that financial success should be a byproduct, not a focal point. So back in 2018, he focused on the money. He put the financial goal, the monetary target, as his main goal. But unfortunately with that, his business suffered. He generated 25% less revenue compared to the previous year. And he said his behavior seemed desperate and unfocused, where he was always trying to do different things and trying to get attention by swaying into new tactics, software secrets that would boost his revenue. But it didn't work. So he said the key lesson here was that you need to lead with value. Creating something matters. And the reality is if you create value and you put that first, the money will actually come. So here's another example by Pat Flynn. If you don't know who Pat Flynn is, he is a very well-known affiliate marketer. He is actually the one who created the idea of publishing his income reports, and he has made 7 figures from affiliate marketing. So he talks about doing affiliate marketing the right way and talks about this point. He says, in the beginning, a lot of people do it the wrong way by taking an income first rather than a serve first approach. And this causes people to push random products on you without ever providing value to your audiences. And unfortunately, that's given affiliate marketing a bad rap. And it's important to understand that people don't buy products, they actually buy solutions. So if you want to succeed as an affiliate marketer in 2020 and beyond, focus on helping people solve their real problems that matter to them. Help them make the right decision for them. They will learn to trust you. And as I said, if you put value first, the money will actually follow. Strategy number 2, SEO, search engine optimization. So this is not just about ranking in search engines or generating traffic to your website. So just to make sure you understand what I'm talking about. Search engine optimization is the act of optimizing your content to show up in search results. Now, these search results come from people typing in specific things like how-to questions, where do I find questions, how do I do questions, etc. And the cool thing about SEO is that, yes, you definitely can learn a lot of the tactical strategies and the tactical outputs that you need to do to make your content rank in Google, YouTube, and even social media. But SEO is also a great way to learn what your audience wants, because when you're looking for these searches, you're understanding what questions they're asking, what their intent is, what their motive is, and you can learn a lot about what problems they're trying to solve. So SEO is a great way to teach you how to research what your audience really wants, so you know what kind of content to create for them and what value you can actually provide to them. Strategy number 3, show up every day. So I know that you may have a family. I know that you may have a full-time job. And if you're doing this online marketing, affiliate marketing thing on the side, then yes, it's basically a third job on the side, right? I get it. But unfortunately, if you want to make this work and you want to succeed, you still need to treat this like a business. You still need to show up every day. Commit to it like a job with the reminder of why you're doing this in the first place. If you want to have this replace your income, then you're going to need to stick with it until that happens. It's the only way you're going to get this to succeed is if you make sure you show up every day. Even if that's 30 minutes a day, an hour a day, 2 hours a day, whatever. Make sure that you're focused on your time. You do the things that matter most. If you don't show up every day, your business will likely fail. Strategy number 4, learn something new every day. So this is going to happen whether you like it or not. And this really applies to any level of affiliate marketer, for beginners, intermediate, expert marketers alike. Embrace knowledge as power and be open to learning something new every day. It's going to happen. There is a lot to learn. Now it gets easier over time as you learn things. There will be less to learn, but there's constant change and there will always be something new to learn. So just understand that your education never stops and just be open to that to contribute to your success. Speaking of training, if you're serious about succeeding with affiliate marketing online, check out the free training link below. It's hands down the best free training I've found for you so far. Strategy number 5, build out a simple value funnel. So an easy way to offer your audience value is to offer them something free, something they really want, something that will help them out. And a free value funnel really just helps establish a trust with them. It helps establish your authority and what you know about the topic, and gets the audience time to get to know you so they are more likely to buy from you. A simple value funnel looks something like this. It starts with the free giveaway here. And then the free giveaway is actually behind an email opt-in. So you create a landing page with an email opt-in on it. They give you the email address. They get the free giveaway. Then they are signed up to your email campaign where you can send them emails afterwards, sprinkle in value, and then sprinkle in some solutions and affiliate links within that for affiliate sales. Strategy number 6, embrace change. So technology is always changing, life is always changing, and it's important to embrace this change, knowing that it's going to be constant change. So the technology you're using, the audience you're targeting, everything is going to change every day. And the cool thing is if you embrace the change and you research the change, you can actually help other people adapt to the change. So whatever industry you're in, whatever niche you're targeting, or affiliate marketing or online marketing, the faster you accept the change and learn solutions that help you with the change, you can actually use that to offer the value to your audience to help them do the same thing. So use the change to find good solutions. Use the change to find good value opportunities for your audience that you may not otherwise find. Strategy number 7. So this ties into the search engine optimization strategy. Google has made a change to where they're no longer prioritizing desktop content to rank. They're actually prioritizing mobile first content to rank. So this is saying that more searches and more content is being consumed on mobile devices and that you need to assume that. So you want to make sure you create your content to be easily consumed on mobile devices, which typically means your website should have a mobile version. You will have fewer images, and you make sure your text is large enough and readable on smaller screens. Strategy number 8, treat content like a product. So take pride into your content as if it were a product. Build out your product better than anyone else. Make your content product so good that everybody wants it. So this will help you provide great value to your audience. This will help make your audience really want your content, build that trust with them, and eventually buy your affiliate offers. Strategy number 9, avoid shiny object syndrome. Now this gets the best of us, including myself. But unfortunately, if you get into the cycle, you get yourself into an unproductive cycle. So you want to make sure that you build out your online business one step at a time. And what that really means is to complete one training before you buy the next. Build out one strategy before you start another one. So do one thing at a time. Stop chasing the dream of what you want. Put in the work every day, one strategy at a time to make it happen, and you will see results. I hope this video helps you out. If it does, definitely comment below and like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.